Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character Cheng step by step. I will first write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. Now, let's write. Cheng 若 formula order or Chinese surname Cheng. Qi to set out on a journey. Qi to set out on a journey. Now check this sentence. After staying a few days in Shanghai, he moved on to Beijing. 在上海逗留了几天之后，他又启程去北京。After staying a few days in Shanghai, he moved on to Beijing. "在上海逗留了几天之后，逗留了几天之后，他又启程去北京。在上海逗留了几天之后，他又启程去北京。After staying a few days in Shanghai, he moved on to Beijing. 在上海逗留了几天之后，他又启程去北京。My daily handwriting on the character Cheng. Cheng, rule, formula, order, Chinese surname Cheng. 启程 to set out on a journey. After staying a few days in Shanghai, he moved on to Beijing. 在上海逗留了几天之后，他又启程去北京。程 Please comment any words or sentence with the character Cheng I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.